Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install VNC Viewer on macOS 13 Ventura. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Click No Thanks. Type in Google search bar. Download VNC Viewer for Mac. Press Enter. Click on first official website link, www.realvnc.com. Now the Real VNC website is open. Let's drop down little bit. macOS is already selected. Let's minimize this chat console. Click Download VNC Viewer. Click Allow. Now our VNC Viewer software is downloaded. It is only 7 MB software. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click on Downloads. Here it is, our VNC Viewer software. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Let's close Downloads. Let's drag VNC Viewer and drop in Applications. Now close VNC Installer. Eject VNC Viewer disk. Now I am going to increase resolution our machine. Click on Launchpad. Click VNC Viewer. Click Open. Click I have read and accept the license agreement. Click OK. If you want to use cloud connectivity and backup and synchronizing, so you can sign in the VNC Viewer. Otherwise you can click Use VNC Viewer without signing in. Now whatever remote you want to take in local network, you will paste its IP address in VNC Connect. And simply press Enter, you will get its remote. But on that machine also VNC Viewer should be installed and application should be open. Let's close VNC Viewer. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install VNC Viewer on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.